Jonas Dizon, Jonas, and Renan Tigana, they are the choreographers. Procter & Gamble, Tide, Pantene, Ariel, Head and Shoulders. Nagabawang siya katawan. Ni kamot to kaya, tsaka son. Makibunit. Again, our friends mula sa Lukaw, Kapitan Marcelino Fernandez. Jonas Dizon, Renan Tigana, Procter & Gamble, Tide, Pantene, Ariel, Head and Shoulders. Maraming salamat. Asa si Kap? Asa si Kap? Kap! Alam ko, perennial to eh. Meron kayong pinagmamalaki, meron kayong depensahan. Ano po yan? Ari ka pala bagyo, kantara eh. Kayo dapat manguna, kayo pumapalakapak sa mga yan dahil sa inyo. Ayan ha. Eto, perennial to. Kaya lang, it varies every year. Jonas and Rene, I know how good you are. It's time to prove them. I like the costume, very colorful, but the performance is all up to you. Nandito ang ating judge, Ma'am Estrel Corpus. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Lukaw! Kapitan dan Arigan, palakpak para ano? Smile, girls and boys. My good friend, Gagawa daughter. Smile. Sinisin nyo dapat yan, come on! Dito ang ating judge. I like the way you smile. Yan. Imagine the time spent, pag-isip pa lang kung anong costume and the concept. Every year, it changes. Nagawad Roger, thank you very much. Nabis kita. Dami man ang nakitang sa akin. Jonas, with us. Jonas, how are you? Yeah! Good luck to you, Lukaw! Kasama ka ng mga trumpeters na doon sa likod. Kita nyo mga kompleto pati sa costume mga ha. Imagine how the concept was formed and all that. I know you were part of this, Jonas. Andyan, ano na yan eh? And Norman, nasa si Norman? Gagawad Roger is so involved. Tananay Ken. Aray, siyempre, kabalabag na po sa'yo. Thank you. How are you, Ernie? Look at this. Until sa mga tumutugtog, meron pa gano'n. Boston talaga. Gusto mo marinig ang sigaw ng Lukaw! We all the support coming from Procter & Gamble, Tide, Pantene, Ariel, Head and Shoulders. Thank you very much. Jonas and Jaime, the tandem. And Puno Barangay Marcelino Fernandez along with his barangay officials. Showmanship hindi na sa mga dancers, pati sa mga tumutugtog. Kita mo? That's one reason why you became champion. Palagpakan naman natin ang Lukaw!